Hello traders, welcome to the 9th video of our 10-part strategy series, where I reveal simple yet powerful strategies tailored towards trading the Nasdaq and the micro Nasdaq futures markets. Again, the best part of all of these videos are that these strategies are meant to be accessible to everyone, whether you're a complete beginner or a more seasoned trader. Watch as I reveal easy to follow trading methods that you can start using right away without wasting your time hunting for opportunities every single day. Okay, for my next strategy, I'm going to show you my supply and demand scalper zone setups. You're probably familiar with these red and green blocks, supply and demand zones. It is a similar indicator that I've used during video 2 of this series. The only difference here with this one, it's got an extra feature to automatically get you into trade or trigger you into trades. Right, you can decide if you want to go short or long or both, and trade strong or weak zones. Basically what I wanted to do on this day is actually take a short. As you can see, prior to an actual setup that occurred, I'll show you in just a while, the Nasdaq was trading downwards pretty strongly and at the same time approaching a supply zone, which is that red zone there. You can also see those numbers next to the actual zones tells me the height of the zones, so it can really quickly tell me, you know, what the risk would be if I were to position my stop loss, in this case, above that zone. Right, so there is an automated trade entry feature. I've only had take shorts activated, and with that little user interface I've shown you a little while ago. And as soon as price touched that zone, I've automatically got triggered into a trade. I did have an ATM strategy set up for 2 contracts, so very quickly positioned my stop slightly above that 17 tick wide zone. I believe it was about 19 ticks wide, and towards that lower demand zone, hoping the price would reach it, I placed my first target at the upper edge of the demand zone, which was about a 1-to-2 ratio, so it was really nice ratios involved in this trade. My second target was positioned at a 1-to-4, and it wasn't long. Price started moving downwards, reached my first target. I start reducing my risk immediately on my second position or contract. It's what I typically like to do, especially when scalping, being quite aggressive with managing that stop loss. Nearly got stopped out after a bit of a bounce to the upside. Price started hanging around for a little bit, moved sideways. I was hoping it was a consolidation and the price would break that most recent higher low, which was slightly above where my second target was located, but eventually, just as I was going to start trailing my stop downwards again, there was a nice sell-off again with price easily reaching my second target. And it was about 16 minutes that I've been in this trade and yielded a total of about $570. So a little bit of a different strategy to the one I've shown in the second video of the series, but pretty much the major difference being here is that I want to scalp from these zones and then also use an additional feature, i.e. the automated trade entry feature that's been built into this tool suite. And that concludes today's 9th strategy video. If you want to see the remaining strategies in the series, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel and please hit that notification bell. That way you'll never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, if you want to get your hands on indicators similar to the ones I've shown you here today, then consider joining our Ninjacators free Indicator of the Month Club by clicking the link below the description in this video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.